How to save money on insurance. Pro tips and tricks. Navigating the world of insurance can be daunting, but with savvy strategies, you can secure coverage without breaking the bank. Here are some pro tips and tricks to help you save money on various insurance policies. Bundle policies. Consolidate your insurance policies with a single provider. Many companies offer discounts when you bundle home, auto, and other policies, resulting in significant savings. Shop around. Don't settle for the first quote you receive. Explore multiple insurance providers, comparing rates and coverage. Online comparison tools make this process efficient and help you identify the most cost-effective options. Raise deductibles. Opt for a higher deductible on your insurance policies. While this means paying more out of pocket in case of a claim, it often leads to lower monthly premiums, resulting in substantial savings over time. Maintain a good credit score. A healthy credit score can positively impact your insurance premiums. Insurers often use credit information to assess risk, and individuals with higher credit scores may be eligible for lower rates. Ask for discounts. Inquire about available discounts. Insurers offer various discounts, such as safe driver discounts, multi-policy discounts, and discounts for safety features in your home. Don't be shy. Ask what discounts you qualify for. Consider usage-based insurance. Some auto insurers offer usage-based insurance, where your rates are determined by your driving habits. If you're a safe driver, this can lead to reduced premiums. Maintain a good driving record. Safe driving not only keeps you and others on the road safer, but can also lead to lower auto insurance rates. Avoid accidents and traffic violations to maintain a clean driving record. Review coverage regularly. Periodically reassess your insurance coverage. Your needs may change over time, and adjusting your coverage accordingly can prevent overpaying for unnecessary protection. Take advantage of affiliation discounts. Check if you qualify for any affiliation discounts. Some organizations, employers, or clubs offer group insurance rates, providing an opportunity for additional savings. Install safety features. Improve home and auto safety with alarms, anti-theft devices, or updated home systems. Many insurers offer discounts for such safety measures, recognizing them as risk-reducing factors. Consider term life insurance. If you're looking for life insurance, consider term life policies. They often offer the same coverage at a lower cost than whole life insurance. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Health insurance premiums can be influenced by lifestyle factors. Adopting a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise and a balanced diet, may lead to lower health insurance costs. Opt for a higher health insurance plan. Deductible. Similar to other insurance policies, selecting a higher deductible on your health insurance plan can result in lower monthly premiums. Seek professional advice. Consult with an insurance broker or agent. They can provide insights into available discounts, coverage options, and help you find the most cost-effective policies tailored to your needs. Review your policy annually. Regularly review your insurance policies. Life changes, and so do your insurance needs. An annual review ensures your coverage aligns with your current circumstances and helps identify potential cost-saving opportunities. By implementing these tips and tricks, you can navigate the insurance landscape with confidence, securing the coverage you need while keeping your hard-earned money in your pocket.